Hi and welcome to another tutorial. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make this granny square. So you can make this small or big depending on the size you're going for. The tools or instruments you'll be using for this tutorial would be your crochet hook and your yarn. So for me, I'm using my 3.5 hook. Don't mind the way it looks. I'm using my 3.5 hook and also a Nigerian brand yarn, and I'll not be doubling the strand. I'll be using just one strand of this. So let's just get into the video. So first off, to make your granny square, you will have to make a magic ring, and this is how I make my own magic ring. You get your yarn like this, then you roll it over your finger like this, forming an X, as you can see. Then put in your hook this way, then you roll over, turn it out, then you make sure to secure this place like this. You secure it this way, then you roll over, chain one, tighten it up, and there you have your magic ring. I'll do it again. So first off, you roll your yarn over your hand like this, forming an X like this. You put in your hook this way, roll over, then you pull out, secure this place so it doesn't get loosened. You roll over, then you chain one, then you secure it, and you're going to chain one more. You roll over, you put it into here, pull out, turn over, pull out, turn over, pull out. So you're going to make 12 double crochet around this circle. I made one already, so you do another one, 2, 3, 4, 4, 'So right now I am done with my 12. I'm going to just pull this to tighten it up. So once you pull to tighten it up, you come here, the first double crochet you made, you make a slip stitch there. You pull in, then that's all. That's a slip stitch. So once you're done, chain one, chain two. So you're chaining two, then you go into this space here, this one here, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So once you've done 3, chain 2, 1, 2, then you go back into that same space, make another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So you have a cluster of 3 double crochet here. Then you count 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet. Then you move into the space there, make 3 double crochet again. So you're going to be making a cluster of 3 double crochet. A cluster, I mean, when I say a cluster, I mean 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet after every 3 double crochet. So I've done another cluster. I'm going to count another 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then into here, I'll make another cluster. 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Then another 3 double crochet. So count another 3, 1, 2, 3. And that's my last cluster of 3 double crochet. So I'm done with the last cluster, and I'm going to slip stitch into the first double crochet here. So pull in, then pull in. So what we have just done is to turn our circle into a square by having 4 corners. So as you can see, we have 1 corner, 1 corner, 1 corner, 1 corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've turned our circle into a square. Now we have our base for the granny square. So what I will do, because I'm changing color, I will just chain 1, then cut my yarn. But if you would still be using the same color, you don't have to cut off your yarn, you're just going to continue. So like I said earlier, if you will not be using the same color of yarn, you chain 1, then you cut it off. But if you're using the same yarn throughout, you don't need to cut off your yarn, you just have to continue. So to introduce your new yarn, you fix in your yarn in any of these spaces. Any of this space you see here, is that the corner or these spaces here in between. So I'm going to fix my yarn here into this space here. Then I will introduce my yarn by rolling over, then you bring it in. So you chain 1 to secure it, tighten it up this way, then chain 1. Now you are going to make 3 double crochet into this space, a cluster of 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3. So I have my 3 double crochet. So into this corner, you are going to make another corner, and to make a corner, you're doing 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So I have 3 double crochet already, chain 2, then another 3 double crochet. So you have a corner here already. Then you go into the next space here, make 3 double crochet. Now you go into the next corner with another corner. So corner would be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Yeah, so you're going to repeat this all around. In every space you make a cluster of 3 double crochet, and in every corner you make another corner. So you do this till you get to this point, and I'll show you what next to do. So now I'll be introducing the new color of yarn. I will be doing the same thing again, right? You fix in your yarn in any space, pull it out, chain one to secure, then you chain one. So now I'm going to make 3 double crochet. I have my 3 double crochet, then go into this space with another 3 double crochet. So the thing is, the bigger it gets, the more space you have. In the previous one, you notice we had just one space before the corner, and because we already walked through it, now we have 2 spaces before the corner, and that's how it gets bigger. So in the corner you make another corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, right? So you go into this space again with another 3 double crochet, into this space, then another 3 double crochet, so right now I'm on the last corner, and I'm just going to do the last cluster. Chain 2, then another 3 double crochet. So I'm just going to slip stitch here, chain 1, then cut. So yeah, that's all for the granny square. So this is how you make your granny square. Like I said, you can increase if you want it bigger. If you want it smaller, you don't have to do up to this. If you want it bigger, you can go on to do more, just the same steps, and you have your granny square. So that's all for the tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also like and comment if you have any question. Bye.